Assalamualaikum ICG and welcome back to another exciting episode of ICG's podcast. Today we're having an honorable guest with us. Assalamualaikum ma'am, we're very glad to have you with us today. I'm Manahil Nazir.
And I'm Noor Iman.
Ma'am, I would like you to introduce yourself for our audience.
Assalamualaikum Nahil and Noor Iman. So it's my pleasure to be here. My name is Sophia Shakil and I'm with the Asian Development Bank. And my passion has always been education development. So it's really an honor to be here today to look at this school and see what an amazing job your principal and your teachers are doing and the vibrancy on the faces of all the students.
Okay, ma'am. Sir, ma'am, as you have visited ICG and you have seen the initiatives taken by the Ministry of Federal Education and Professional Training, so what are your reviews about it, and do you think that these initiatives are going to bring a positive impact on the students?
You know, it's amazing. I just have been, absolutely inspired to see the introduction of robotics, and it's just been only 6 months that it's been introduced, to see the kind of experiments that children are doing, the kind of ideas they have, and that they're expanding on that. I really think that this is going to have a profound impact on their future learning as well, but also in terms of just changing the way that we look at education. And it's not just as something where you come and learn from textbooks, but that you're actually learning new skills using technology and how you can use it to improve your society, your environment. I'm just so inspired.
ओके मैम मैम, जैसा कि आज आप औरत हैं और एक औरत होने के नाते बहुत से स्ट्रगल्स आप फेस करते हैं, बहुत सारे मसाइल दरपेश होते हैं आपके, तो आपको ऐसे क्या मसाइल दरपेश थे और आपने उनका सामने कैसे किया?
That's a very good question. I mean, I think औरत होने के नाते में होता है कि हमारे पास इतनी responsibilities होती है ना, right from the start when you're in your household. You're the one that's expected to take care of even the kitchen responsibilities, and also sometimes even looking after the needs of your siblings and all that. So I think from a young age we're taught to be caregivers. और वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी जो है ना हमारे साथ पूरी लाइफ में जाती है, तो ऑन वन हैंड it can be a challenge, it can be a burden, but on the other hand I have myself been able to take that with me as part and parcel of my whole personality, और उसको मैंने फिर साथ अपने पूरे throughout my education and my professional life I've seen it as something that enriches me. So I think for all the young women and young girls that I see in this school today, मेरा यही होगा कि आपने अपने education पे focus रखना है ना, तो focus रखें and take your family and your friends community, your whole society along with you, because as a girl, as a woman, you are the one that can change perspectives. You can change it by starting with influencing the way your brothers think, the way that your fathers, your uncles and your cousins think, but your colleagues, you carry that kind of passion with you and you become the agent of change. So I think it is challenging. I think as women we have more responsibilities, but then we also learn to multitask and I think manage very well. So use that to your advantage.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I would like you to leave a message for our audience who are looking forward to you.
And the audience are the school community.
Yes, ma'am.
And I just have one message, which is that keep your focus on learning and innovating. It's about enriching yourself, but it's also about giving back to society. And you have such amazing, your school leadership is great. You've got great support from ministries and other, policy makers that are looking after education. But I think you guys are the ones that are going to drive change into the future. आपने सिर्फ इस स्कूल में नहीं, आपने इस पूरी सोसाइटी में, अपनी कम्युनिटी में, अपनी सोसाइटी में चेंज लाना है और प्रोग्रेस लानी है. So please keep a forward-looking agenda in mind and have fun.
Okay, ma'am. This was all for today's podcast. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for all the upcoming videos. Until then, Allah Hafiz.